I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. Oh, yikes! I didn't realize that you had joined me. You see, I was practicing a really famous speech called, you guessed it, I Have a Dream by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I'm guessing you know who he is, since he's a super famous civil rights leader and even has a national holiday named after him. Did you know that this speech is so powerful that people continue to study it and listen to it? But don't take my word for it. Listen to Dr. Martin Luther King himself.
I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice.
So you see, he's so much better than me, right? Yeah, absolutely. But there's some things that you don't know about his speech. For instance, did you know that there was a group of religious leaders and civil rights leaders who helped him brainstorm for this speech? Did you know that he stayed up super late and then got up again the next morning and continued to work on his speech to make it the best speech ever? Did you know that someone in the audience actually shouted out a suggestion during the speech itself? And MLK listened to this person and set aside his notes and changed the course of his speech. Some might say the latter part of it is the most persuasive of the entire speech. Now, I'm not going to tell you who this person was or what they said. You're going to have to read this awesome picture book, A Place to Land by Barry Wittenstein, with Jerry Pinkney's illustrations to find out this information and much more.